This is Joanne Hammond, and today I'm coming to you from Sosua Ocean Village. I want to show you this fantastic villa that is at the end of a cul-de-sac. Very quiet and private. Double carport covered right here. On the main floor, we have 3 bedrooms and 2.5 bathrooms. And then upstairs, we have an additional bedroom with a washroom, as well as a lookout deck where we have spectacular ocean views. Let's take a look inside. Stepping in, we have a half bathroom, quite spacious, on the left-hand side. Nice high ceilings with crown molding. Some great lighting features in here. Coming in on the left, kitchen with a great island, quartz countertops, stainless appliances, dishwasher built into the island. And it's open concept kitchen, living, and dining. At the far end of the kitchen, we do have a full washer dryer and an instant hot water heater. Coming through, the dining area is here on the left. Large air conditioner, which will cool this entire space. Dining room, living room, sliding doors onto the terrace. At the far end, we have 2 bedrooms and a washroom. And at the back, with sliding doors overlooking the pool, is the master bedroom. First guest bedroom is right through here at the front of the house, with built-in cupboards, and of course, air conditioning. Second guest bedroom is across the way. Very similar, again, with built-in closets, air conditioning, right here, and again, the tall ceilings with the crown molding. And the shared washroom is right through here, nicely tiled, cool light fixtures. Sink is right here. Spacious, nice walk-in shower with glass. Coming through the living room, we have the master bedroom at the end. This one's quite large. Again, with the built-in closets and air conditioning. In the ensuite, right through here. Glass, similar tiles and lighting. Very spacious. From the living room, you step out onto this great covered terrace. Coralina tiles leading out onto the pool deck. On the left-hand side, we have an outdoor kitchen area with a sink, bar fridge, and barbecue. All overlooking this very pretty pool, mature landscaping. Sliding doors from the master and sliding doors from the living room. At the side of the terrace, we have stairs that lead up to a 4th bedroom and 3rd bathroom. Stepping up, there's an additional covered terrace for the 4th bedroom, as well as stairs that lead up to a lookout from the top. This is quite a spacious room, so easily it could be a bedroom and an office. Nice size. With an ensuite washroom right through here. Again, the high ceilings with the glass walk-in shower. Nice little covered terrace. And it's actually quite breezy up here. Very pretty, lots of greenery. Stepping up one more time, we have the Mirador, which is the lookout on the very top. From here you can clearly see that we are third row from the ocean. We have beautiful ocean views, and over here to the west is Mount Isabella, where you would get sunset views as well. So a 4-bedroom, 3.5 bathroom villa with a lookout terrace where you have great ocean views and sunset views. All in Sosua Ocean Village.